complete even without your wife. You will still be complete even without your children. You will still be complete without your parents and siblings. You will be complete without your friends and colleagues. Complete without your job. For as long as you have Christ, you are complete. For he says, without me, you can do nothing. That is the only way you can survive. Otherwise, you'll find some funny woman here. There's even a woman here just looking, say, hey, hapo mimi naenda kuingia. Wako. Wanakutegea. So ukiwasalimia, wasalimia ukiwa chonjo. Watakusumbulia watoto sana. And I love the promise you're giving, that what you remain with is to take care of your children for the sake of your departed wife. They're very young. And going forward, all the decisions you make will impact on those two children. Going forward. So kiarere ingine hapa imevaa skati fupi na iko na makalio makubwa. Isikushtue. Funga macho kabisa.